All right, our spot for today, students will be able to compare and contrast two texts. So by using the words compare and contrast, it means to tell what is alike and what's different, what's similar or the same, and then what's different or not like the other, okay? So here is a visual posted in Schoology, just if you need to look at it to remember what these two words mean. So compare is how they are like or the same. So how are these two things the same? So you might read two texts, and after reading these two texts, you're going to tell me, well, how was this text similar or alike to this text? Okay, some of the clue words that you might see while reading that will tell you there's a comparison nearby is words like also, alike, to, and, similar, same, like, or both. Okay. And then when we contrast, we're telling how they're different. So, how are they not like each other? What things are different within these two texts? And some of these clue words include although, however, unlike, but, not, only, and difference. So usually when we compare and contrast, we use a Venn diagram, and I'm pretty sure we've used this year before, so it should look very similar, but you have your two differences on both sides. So you would have one text here and the other text here, or you might have, for example, cats here, dogs here. Whatever you're comparing and contrasting, the differences go on each side or the topic. And then in the middle, you have that little thing where they both cross each other, and that's where you'll list your similarities. So how are they the same? So let's go ahead and get into the assignment for today. So comparing and contrasting two texts. I'm just going to re-go over what I just went over. When you compare texts, you tell how they are alike. When you contrast texts, you tell how they are different. Comparing and contrasting the most important points in two texts on the same topic helps you learn more about the topic. So by comparing and contrasting, you're going to better understand the topic or understand more about it. Okay, so we're going to look at two posters today, and we're going to tell how they are alike and how they are different using that Venn diagram that we just went over. Okay, so we have poster one. We have two kids planting a tree, someone overlooking them. They all look very happy. And the poster says, take care of planet Earth, plant a tree. Okay. And then poster two, you have two animals. They also look pretty happy. And it says, take care of planet Earth. The animals will thank you. So after looking at these two, how are these two the same? Okay, I see the key word take care of planet Earth in both of them. That seems like something that's a similarity. They both want you to take care of planet Earth. Now, how are these two posters different? What's happening in this poster and then what's happening in this poster? So you'll use those points to fill out your Venn diagram. So we'll go ahead and fill out the both, and then I'll let you do the differences. All right, so we have the both done. So go ahead and do the differences. So you have one difference here and your other difference over on the right, okay? Tomorrow we'll get into a text. We'll start reading two different texts and comparing and contrasting within those texts.